Hey guys, so in this video we're going to take a look at indefinite articles in Spanish. These are the words a, an, or some. So like I have a cat or we have some friends would be a couple of examples. In English there are just two, that's the a or some. In Spanish there are four indefinite articles and we're going to learn them right now. I'll go ahead and write them on the screen for you. So much like when you learn the definite articles el, la, los, and los, you have to match the indefinite articles with the noun that they're describing. So, for example, book in Spanish is el libro, the book. If I want to say a book, I have to choose the masculine singular version of the indefinite article, which is going to be un. So, un libro would be a book. And then if I wanted to say some books, I'm going to choose the plural version of that, which is going to be unos. In a second, I'm going to give you some examples and a chance to practice this as well. Let's say I have a house, a blue house or something like that. The part of that sentence, a house, is going to be una casa. And the reason I use una instead of un is because casa is a feminine noun. And then if I have some houses, because I'm very rich as a teacher, I'm going to say unas casas, because now houses is plural and feminine. So I have to use the plural feminine indefinite article. Let's go ahead and scroll down if I can. All right. So here's some examples for you. I use one for each indefinite article. So the first one is, tengo una mochila roja. I have a red backpack. Vivo en un apartamento pequeño. I live in a small apartment. Hay unos profesores terribles en mi escuela. There are some terrible teachers at my school. En el laboratorio hay unas computadoras nuevas. In the lab, there are some new computers. So again, I have to match these with the noun that they're describing. So here's my noun, mochila. Mochila is a feminine singular noun, so I have to use the feminine singular indefinite article. Apartamento is singular masculine. That's singular masculine. Profesores is plural masculine, so that's plural masculine, and then plural feminine, plural feminine. Just got to make a match up. If you're going to practice this idea for just a second, I've got 6 nouns right here for you. Some of them are singular, some of them are plural. Maybe pause the video and try and decide what I use, un, una, unos, or unas with these nouns. So just I'll give you one example, and then maybe you can do the rest. This word right here, cosa, means thing. So I want you to say some things because I made it plural with cosas. And cosa is a feminine noun. So that means that the answer would be unas. I'm going to make it feminine plural. So if you're going to do this before I give you the answers, pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to keep giving you the answers right now. País happens to be a singular masculine noun. So if I want to say a country, I'll say un. Program, although it does end in an A, is one of those tricky words. It's actually masculine. So a program is going to be un programa. Maps is also a tricky noun. Although it ends with an A, it's also masculine. But I made it plural, so it's going to be unos mapas for some maps. Video is singular masculine, so a video would be un video. And then conversation is feminine, and since it's just a conversation singular, I'll say una conversación. So those are your indefinite articles in Spanish, the words a or some. And here's the chart again if you need to take those notes. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.